Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Dash Auto Works. Today's video, I got the M6. I just took it to Lake Geneva, and then when I came back, I was going to the gym. I was gonna go to the gym with it, and then started misfiring out of nowhere. And it's throwing a code for cylinder 8 misfire. So today, I already got 10 spark plugs, and I ordered a coil, but it's not gonna be in stock until tomorrow. First thing I'm gonna do is swap the coil from 8 to probably 7 and see if the misfire jumps to 7, because then I'll know it's a coil for sure. If not, I hope it's not an injector, because they don't make these injectors anymore. Spark plugs aren't hard on this side is the tougher side. I'm gonna take this airbox apart, and then let's swap the coils and see what happens. Here we go, about 5 minutes later. Airbox is out. The air boot, and just move the coolant expansion tank out of the way. So that side is bank 1, so that's cylinder 1 through 5, and then we have 6, 7, 8. So this one would be number 8. It's fucking stuck in there. Okay, I need to try with the screwdriver. We got them out. Basically, if they don't come out, you just put the screwdriver through here, and then use 2 fingers to pull it out. So this is the bad one, I hope. And then let's take out 7 and swap it into that cylinder. And see what happens. Okay, we've temporarily ghetto-fied it so it doesn't throw a code for the air mass sensor. I'm gonna throw the computer on it, clear these codes, start it, and hopefully the misfire will move. Let me see. As you can see, cylinder 8 misfire. We're gonna clear it. Let's start it. Still missing. Have a bad coil. Coil will be here tomorrow. I have to go pick it up. So for now, while I wait for him, I just want to change the spark plugs because I never did them before. So at least we know it's the coil 100%. I'm just going to do the spark plugs. I have to take a bunch of stuff more off because to get to cylinder 5 and 10, I never did it before, but I've read that getting those spark plugs out is a pain in the ass. I'm just going to start on it so then tomorrow I can finish it. And it'll be all good, hopefully. I just completed this side, so bank 1 is finished. As you can see, sorry, this is a little mess. I don't have a card or anything here. Spark plugs. I think just in time to change them. Like I said, no ownership. When we did the rod bearings, we checked them. They were still new. And I haven't put that many miles on it since then, but I've been driving it more recently and might as well just change them. This side, number 5, was a little bit of pain, but we got it done. If anybody was wondering, torque spec is 25 Newton meters for the spark plugs. This side is all buttoned up. I'm not going to touch this side yet because I'm waiting for the coil still. That side I'll just finish it tomorrow. Next day, I continue. We got the OE Bremy coil. Unfortunately, they don't make Bosch anymore for the S85, so we're gonna remove these coils. If you remember, number 7 is the bad one. We're gonna throw that one out, and we're gonna put this one all the way in the back. I'm just gonna move the expansion tank a little bit out of the way, pop out all the coils, do the plugs, put everything back, and yeah. Well, quick update, I got the coils out, and I took out the broken one, which was number 8 that I swapped to 7, and this one is whatever, garbage. But then when I went to go take out the first one, the whole thing fucking snapped in half, so I have to get another one because it's not going to clip in. And then number 10 was stuck, and I grabbed the pliers to wiggle it around to move it a little bit. But anyways, I tried to get 2 more from Worldpac and they don't have them, so it's dealer only now. Same brand, just without the BMW logo, and they're 40 bucks more, but then to get them out of state from World Pack was another 40 bucks more. So I ended up just getting them from the dealer. So that's where we are right now. I'm just gonna change the spark plugs, put this new one in the back, and hopefully they'll be in stock tomorrow. I got these two that are still okay. No problem with these. I don't think that little puncture is gonna do anything, but I kind of don't want to do all this work just to take it apart again. I got all 5 plugs brand new in. Just need to torque them down, as you can see. Well in need of a nice tune-up. I would do Italian tune-ups on it, but you gotta do these once in a while. You know what's really scary for me, this car? The fucking transmission. That one you don't want to fuck around with. This shit's okay. Throttle actuators and bullshit like that, whatever. But that fucking transmission, I want to take that fucking shit out so bad. One day for sure. 6-speed. And the value up. I mean, I don't know if the value would go up because it wouldn't be an original manual, but it would definitely hold value better. Off topic, but you know, look what I just noticed. Someone was changing the coils and the spark plugs before. Cause look at all of this. Someone was fighting this shit. Look at all that. Thank God it wasn't me, cause I would have crashed out. Thank you for the other guy. Fucking shit. Go in. There we go. Okay. Torque the 4. Put out the coils. And finish them tomorrow. What a satisfying beat. It's easy with 2 hands, you know. What I'll do actually, I'm gonna put the new one in the back and then put these two in 6 and 7 and put the 2 new ones in. Because if one of these goes out, it's easier to change. I don't have to move the expansion tank or anything. Okay, next day I put 3 new coils. $200 later we're gonna give it first initial start. Let me grab the key for you guys. Let me clear the codes. I'm gonna put the computer on it, clear the codes, and then let's start it. Okay, let's clear this one. Clear fault completed. And fault codes. Turn them off. Give it a second. Let's start. That is going to conclude this video. M6 is running good again. Just a slight coil and plugs. Nice little tune-up. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. And until the next one, we are out.